anak ko yung maliit pre, nasa gitna. Ayan mas maliit, yan o, yung nakamangki.
Now let's all welcome
our
real dancers together with their coaches.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job.
Watching me shut it down. I look better under you, I can love when I'm with you. How can us do to miss the moment? You just so important. Nobody like you do. I can't.